Hey guys, how is everyone doing today? I'm here to style this wig. I'm doing a simple style, nothing too dramatic, nothing too much. I'm just giving it a defined edges. So guys, watch, stay tuned, and see the method that I'm using today. I said it earlier that I'm not going to do too much. I'm just bored at home and I feel like going to the mall, taking some walk, and look at a Zara to see if I'll get some clothes for the holiday. It's Chinese festival, one of the longest holiday at the moment. So guys, do not forget to subscribe when you watch the video, and don't forget to let me know if you like the wig. Let me know, leave your comments. Yeah, all right. I've seen a lot of video. Let me make you see my product too. Product I use on my skin. It's good when you see it, guys. Yeah, so I have so I've been seeing a lot of people complaining about how the product they use on their hair is wiping up their edges. Why would you allow a product to wipe up your edges? So there is a product that I use. You can use it in place of gel. You can use it to lay your edges, you can use it to lay your weaves. So guys, let's do this quickly. Let's do this, okay? Let's do this. So over here, I'm going to push my wig back. You don't need to lay the wig cap on your head before. This product, you can only use water to remove it. You don't need dissolver. So all you do is to apply it to your line. Okay, apply it to the line, measure the cap or the lace, and then move the lace up forward a bit to cover it up. So you're going to wait for a while. Then when you try to remove it, it stays. It doesn't move, girl. It doesn't move. It doesn't move. So that is how it works. When you need how do you call it, a glue that doesn't wipe off your edges, this is the new discovery we've made. Okay, our factory that supplies it is based in China. So yeah, don't worry, the result, I'll show you the results as I'm working on this video. So over here there is a pop at the top of the wig. Okay, for all those who are home, you don't want to go to the salon, just get the products. This foam hair wax, get it, make sure you get a quality one. Okay, let me show you how quality it is. There are some of them that I've used before, it's just watery, but look, let me show you this foam. Yeah, as you go on, when you press it and it's not coming out, just go ahead and press it more. Oh yeah. All right, so just a little bit, not too much, not too small. Then you shake again. Shake it again. Now see, yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Then you go ahead, place it aside. Because my lid is damaged, all you need to do is to apply a little bit of foam on top of the head to lay it flat down. Okay, lay the wig flat. Do not leave your wigs to be popping up all the time. If you're going somewhere, you don't have the time to press it down with a hot iron, but I'm going to use a hot iron. So yeah, I'm just saying for saying, yeah. So all I need to do is give me some few seconds and I will be back. I need to do is to press. Now I'm back to start the video. So all I need to do is to comb it down. Do not try to do too much. You see how silky it's looking already without too much down on it. It's already looking silky already. So you see the wig, huh? So if you are in a hurry to go somewhere, you don't have time to press it down, get this new wax. Okay, get it down and just press into the hair and see how flat this wig lay. Okay, but I have a hot iron as well. So, oosh, do you see that? I don't think you can see that clearly, but guys, that's not needed right now. The lid is still showing. guys. So all I need to do is to go ahead and then press it. Look how silky they. Press it down. Press it down. Okay. Press it down. 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 So you don't have to do too much for this hair. Okay. Press it down. Then you go ahead, lift it a bit and comb it backwards a bit as well. Lift it a bit and comb it again. Okay. So as you can see, the wig is laying so flat now. It's super flat already. So all we need to do is that it's laying super flat. All we need to do, hold on some few minutes, I'll be back. Let me plug the hot press iron. Okay, give me some few seconds again. I'll plug in the hot iron. Alright, so let's wait for it to also get hot. I am done doing that. So right now, let's go to another angle. Take a little portion of the hair forward like this, just a little portion, or if you want to add more, you can also add more depending on the quantity or the amount you want to cut off. Okay, then you go ahead, take a portion again, and then this is for beginners, those who don't really have any basic knowledge on laying their wigs. But if you have enough basic knowledge but you still need more knowledge on how to do this kind of things, this is how to go about it. So what I'm going to do right here is that I'm going to use this. I don't want it to be on the floor. This is my bedroom, so I'll go ahead, make a little cut. I'm done making the cut. Look at how it looks. Okay, all right, I'm done making the cut, so I'm going to put it aside. I did that because I don't want it to be on the floor. I have to hold it to be able to cut. If not, I'll just cut onto the. So right now I am going to press it. Okay, I'm going to press it down. With the iron. So here you take a little portion out of the hair like this. Go ahead and take a portion. You can hold your comb like this. As you press it down, you go with the comb. Press it and go with the comb. Then you go ahead to coil it up. Okay, go ahead and coil it up the way you want. Then press it on, hold it and loosen it up. Look at that. Look at the curl. Look at how it's looking. Okay, so let's go to the next one. I'm not really wanting to do it. I don't want to do it to all the part of the hair. I'm going to just do it to the tip of the hair, because I've straightened the hair before remembering, oh, let me make a video about it. When it's, I think I should have let you see how rough this hair was in the beginning when I was straightening it. But I started before it came into mind that I should make a video, so that is why you are seeing the hair already looking straight. Yeah. Look at that. Then you go to the side, this side again. Pat the hair a bit. You don't need a salon if you have all the two ready with you. Okay, get all these two ready so that, so you see that, hold it on a bit, hold on a bit, then you go ahead, release it slowly. Look at that, look at that. So if you want to do it to the entire hair, for me, I don't want to do it to the entire hair. I just want the tip of the hair looking nice, so that is why I am doing this. So press it on, press it on, press it on, and then go ahead and then go ahead and So just the tip. I'm not really doing the entire hair. I'm just working on the tip of the hair. So then hold on to it for a while, then release it. Okay. So look at how I'm not really, the curls that I'm planning to get, I'm not really getting it over here. So that means what the hair is telling me is that divide the hair and make it in a smaller portion to be able to get there. Yeah, so let's go ahead and making it in a smaller quantity or portion to be able to get what we plan to get, guys. Hold on to it for a while, or go ahead and curl it down, twist it around a bit, then release it. Let's see how it will look. So you see that? You see how it's looking now? So yeah, you don't have to do too much. Just a simple method and you're good to go. You will slay. You will slay. I don't know why my camera is tilting to the other side, but I'll fix that. So anytime you want to get the curls, hold on to it for a while before you go ahead to release it. So now you see the curls. How do you even say that word? So look at this. Look at that. We are not doing 2 extra hairstyles. We are doing something simple. So guys, so let's go ahead and see. Now you see, you cannot even move the hair now. It's glued to the edges. That is what I'm talking about. And anytime you are ready to take, anytime you are ready to take it out, just use water. So with this kind of hair that I'm doing right now, when I'll come back and I'm ready to remove it, I will use water for you guys to see how to take it out. So you don't need too much stuff to be able to take your hair out. It doesn't stick, the product doesn't stick to your edges. It doesn't, the moment you remove this hair, it's gone. You don't have to wait for so much time to be able to remove it. Okay, so let's continue with the curls over here. I don't want the video to be too long. That is why I am making sure I quicken things up. Why am I whistling when I'm talking? Oh, stop it. So look at the curls. Voila, that's it. So I wanted to lift it a bit, so I still use the same product to lift the hair up a bit. So no two ways, guys. And also I'm planning, I don't want to lay edges, but I'm planning on a one-sided edges. That won't be too much. It's just some simple one. Or what do you think about the lifting of it? Or you think everything should just lay down like flat? So yeah, that's it. Simple wig styling, not too much work, not too much curls as well. when I come back, so look at this. When you move it, it's not moving. Like you cannot remove it. It stays like this forever, and I love it so much. The glue is one of the, and I realized I saw a group where people were complaining about how the glue is taking out their edges. They cannot lay flat edges. Guys, contact me to get this product. You always want to put on wigs because of the product. So contact me, guys. I have a lot. Just that this product is new in the market, but a little expensive, but you can be able to afford it. Yeah. So guys, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe when you watch this video. We thank you and we appreciate you a lot.